Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll make some ornamental dishes. I call this a dish because I don't know what else to call it. Basically, it's just an ornamental design that you could either put under a plate or that we can modify however you want for a variety of purposes. Again, custom design, so whatever application you have for something ornamental, we can build it here in the shop. In this case here, it's just a regular 2D shape, but this could just as easily be done in multiple layers. So we can cut this out of mirrored acrylic, for instance, so it actually look like a mirror, but just a different material. We can make it out of transparent acrylic, we can make it out of corian, we can make it out of Formica. Whatever application you have, we can make something custom for you. What we'll do now, we'll take a look at this being cut. This one here is 6mm or 1/4 inch. And then after that, we'll look at 3mm or 1/8 inch, just to show you the repeatability of our machine. Whenever we do this kind of work, we always end up with a lot of the inside parts. So you can see here there is a hole, and the hole that goes with that is this here. And that's because of the precision of our laser. We're vaporizing maybe 1/32 or a fraction of a millimeter of material, depending on the thickness. And as a result, all these internal parts, if you want them when we make this kind of stuff, just let us know, and we'll pick them up off the laser bed and we'll ship them along with the finished product. What we'll do now, we'll look at this one here, which is 1/8 or 3mm thick MDF. And now you know how we made these two dishes. To show you the repeatability, let me just line them up here. And you can see they're absolutely perfect. Now for this application, I don't think it really matters if you have a bit of variance. It's not an industrial application or military or aerospace or anything that high end. But you actually have that option. The nice thing about this is that we make them on demand. And what that means is, let's say you wanted to make this into a table number stand. Or any other thing where there's a bit of customization. Let's say you wanted like the number 1 in this one, number 2, number 3, number 4. We can do that while we're producing it. So you're not stuck to any specific design. And for instance, let's say you wanted 10 of these and another 10 maybe 90% smaller, or another 20 that are a little bit bigger, just a lot of variances in size and design wise. Again, because it's on demand, that's not a problem. You're not stuck to any specific design or process or minimum quantities. Now where minimum quantities might come into play is if you start switching around materials. So let's say you only wanted 1 out of MDF and 1 out of acrylic, for instance. It would cost a lot more than just doing 2 out of MDF. But these are all things that we could talk about when we sort out what we want to do with your design for your application. So if you're wondering about how to go about getting something like this done, contact me at CNCKing.com and we'll make them for you.